These are some of the most hottest days, and smart devices are getting incredibly hotter, especially mobile phones. I'll be sharing 3 tips on how you can prevent your phone from overheating, or at least maintain be safe from this, because it can cause damage to your device or yourself as well. First up, let's try to understand why phones heat up in the first place. The first and foremost reason is if you are using your phone under direct sunlight, this can heat up your device. And next is also if you are using your phone most of the time under very hot environments. Thirdly, it can be applications or rogue apps that are running in the background, or malware in the software update that can be causing this to happen. And fourthly, is because of bad charging behaviors or the dock itself that you are using. So what can probably happen because of this, right? First up, your phone can slow down, it can ruin your battery, damage the device, and there have also been cases where phones have exploded. So in order to prevent this, here are the 3 tips that I would like to share. Firstly, make sure that you are not running graphic intensive or processor intensive applications, especially games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, while your phone is on charge. Even streaming applications like Netflix and Hulu can be a problem. It's better to unplug or wait till the device has charged to a substantial amount so that you can start watching the movie or start gaming. Secondly, make sure that your device is always up to date. Maybe the current update or the software that is running right now can be buggy and may be causing the phone to overheat, especially with iPhones. With Android users, it can be third-party applications or APKs that you have downloaded to install on your device, which can be causing the overheat. Lastly, and the most important one, which I have been advising my friends as well, is to avoid using third-party chargers. I know there are great chargers out there that are cheaper, especially like Anchor, but it is still recommended to use the one that is manufactured by the company or the manufacturer of the phone itself. I hope you found this useful and will prevent your phone from overheating during these summer hot days. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and see you in the next one.